Can you get diamond for free in your Widgetable app? Hello everyone, I'm here to guide you how you can get your diamond for free in your Widgetable app. So to get the diamond for free in your Widgetable app, first of all you have to go to your Play Store or Apple Store and you have to search for your Widgetable app. After that, you have to go for your Widgetable app on your Play Store and on the open option, if there is any update available, then you have to update your app. After that, go for the open to open your Widgetable app. So to get diamond for free in your Widgetable app, so here you have to go for your shop option. So to get the free diamond in your Widgetable app, you have to go and get your pro version on your Widgetable app. So to get your diamond, you have to go for the top left diamond option, and here you have to purchase it for USD $95.95. So to get diamond in your Widgetable app, you have to pay the subscription amount. So there is no option to get diamond for free in your Widgetable app. So you can't get your diamond free for free in your Widgetable app. So you need to purchase them. That's the way how to get diamond in your Widgetable app. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.